Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TI portal HMI. So you will see in this video we are going to learn about double state symbols, indicators and multi-states symbols and indicators. So you will understand how these indicators symbols are going to use. We are going to use in our TI portal. So let's see what I'm going to use symbols. So first of all we will see. Now I'm going to text and graphics. I'm going to graphic list. I'm going to name it double state, and the second one I'm going to use multi-state. First of all we need to use a double state. I think that motor, and that motor is best for our double state. I'm going to select that value to 0 and that value to 1. Now I'm going to use a multi-state, and you will see I am just using that, and sorry, I'm just going to delete that. I don't need that. These are looking better. I'm using that one and that one and also that one. Now I'm going to change that value to 0, 1 and 2. I think my both motors have now created. Now we see how we are going to use in our TI portal. So you will see. First of all we are using double state. I'm going to enter a tag on it. I'm going to generate, and we are going to use a tag of 20.0 because it's except 0 and 1, and this motor is double state. Now I am going to use a multi-state motor, and I am going to insert a tag on it, HMW4. Let's see. I'm going to select that on the output. That's it, okay. First I am going to just compile that and save that project. I can save. I have to compile that again. The software is compiled. Zero error warning. And that's it. That's okay. Now we are going to open my HMI. First of all we need to use that there. And now I am going to make it online. You will see. That logics are used for double state motor. You will see I am going to select the start on it. Start, you will see stop, start and stop, start and stop. So if that motor is our double state, now I am going to use a triple state motor. So you will see what we are going to set. If we are putting 0, the motor show like that. If we are going to put 1, that we are going to move 0, the motor is shown like that. If we are going to 1 state, the motor is showing like that. If we are going to 2 state, the motor is showing like that. We are going you 2 state because if motor is 42, it shows 2. So you will see. I am going to that. You will see now 0 is now activated. and our motor is showing like that. Now I am going to modify that front to 1, so you will see now motor is showing green. If we are going to modify it to 2, so you will see the motor is changing to red. So that's how our double state symbols and multi-state symbols are showing in our Siemens-State total HMI. So thank you very much. That lesson is quick. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, click the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. And in the comments I give links of Windows Software SCADA, Ignition SCADA and FactoryTalk tutorials as well. So in the description I also give my contact number, so if you need any query to ask me. So thank you very much for watching my video again. Thank you.